Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter exercise 5.6 question number 3. Before this, I request you guys please go and check it out the playlist. All the previous questions we have already completed. Go and check it out. First of all, the introduction part of this particular chapter. Okay, after doing the introduction part, you guys can do these questions very easily because I have explained each and everything over there in the easiest manner possible. Okay, now check it out the introduction video. Try to do these questions by yourself. Okay, then you can check it out whether you are right or wrong. Okay, so please be with me. Okay, let's do it. What the question is saying: name each of the following triangles in two different ways. Means to find out which type of triangles is which type of triangle is this, there are two different ways. Okay, first is just by looking the angles, that's which angle it is forming, whether it is an obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, what are these angles? I'll tell you. Okay, but in briefly I've explained you in the introduction part. You guys can go and check it out. Okay, so if the angle is less than 90 degree, it is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, if it is exactly at 90 degree, it is known as right angle triangle. If the angle is greater than 90 degree, okay, and less than 180 degree, okay, so it is known as obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and if it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is known as, very good, reflex angle triangle. Okay, just by this we can find it out which type of angle are these. Okay, and by checking out the sides, okay, means if all the three sides are equal, we can check it out. We can say that it is an equilateral triangle. If the two sides of a triangles are equal, it is known as isosceles triangle. If means either sides, mean all the three sides are different, so it is known as a scalene triangle. Okay, so these are the two methods by which we can find out which type of triangle is it. Okay, so we don't have to use any protector over here. Just by observation we can find out. Okay, we have to mention which type of angle it is. Okay, so in this figure you can check it out. This particular angle, this one, it is greater than 90 degree because you know the 90 degree angle is straight like this. Okay, means if there is a perpendicular line, means straight line, okay, it is known as 90 degree, okay, angle. But it is greater than 90 degree because if I will draw a perpendicular line over here, so I can draw it like this. Okay, so you can check it out. It is greater than 90 degree, okay, and it is less than 180 degrees, so it is known as obtuse angle triangle. So this one, A, is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now it is an obtuse angle triangle. So now two different ways you can check it out. All the sides of this particular triangles are not equal, yes, are unequal. Okay, so it is known as, what it is known as, scalene triangle. Very good, scalene triangle, because all the sides are unequal. Now let's move to the B part. Over here you can check it out. Okay, means if we take a base over here like this, okay, so you can check it out. Over here it is less than 90 degree. If I take a base like this, if I will draw a line like this, a 90 degree line, so you can clearly see that this particular angle, means it is formed like this, means it is less than 90 degree. Okay, and if I take a base, I kept a protector over here, so 90 degree line will be drawn like this and the triangle is drawn like this. Okay, so it is from here also, it is less than 90 degree. Okay, so it is also known as, it is known as acute angle triangle. It is known as acute angle triangle. Okay, because if I will take a base over here, so it is less than 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree. Okay, I hope you guys understood how we have done it. Okay, and you can check it out. But over here two sides are equal. Whenever the two sides are equal of a triangle, it is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Okay, so it is known as isosceles triangle. I hope you guys understood. It is very easy. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Over here you can check it out that if I will draw a line like this, 90 degree line like this, so it is greater than 90 degree, so it is clearly that it is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, and you can check it out. Two sides are equal of this particular triangle. Again, it is known as isosceles triangle. Okay, now the D part over here, you can check it out that it is exactly forming a 90-degree angle. What it is forming? It is exactly forming a 90-degree angle. Okay, so it is forming a 90-degree angle. It means it is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, and you can check it out, all the sides, just by using the sides we can check it out that all the sides are unequal. Okay, so it is known as scalene triangle. Very good. Scalene triangle. Over here you can check it out that 90-degree angle, because this particular line is straight perpendicular to this particular side, it is known as 90-degree angle. So again, it is known as right angle triangle. Okay, and two sides are equal. Again, two sides are equal, so it is known as, when two sides are equal, so it is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now over here you can check it out. Over here, this angle, if we draw a perpendicular line like this, means it is less than 90-degree. If I'll keep a protector over here, if I'll draw like this, so it is less than 90-degree. So means less than 90-degree means it is forming an acute angle triangle. Very good. And you can check it out, all the three sides are equal. Whenever all the three sides are equal of a triangle, it is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. I hope you guys understood that how we have completed this particular question. The questions are very easy. Okay, you just have to learn the concept. Okay, so for that, go and check it out, the introduction part. Over there I have explained each and everything briefly. Okay, so next question we will do in the next video. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay, I will definitely reply. Okay, and okay, bye bye, take care.